Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, crop the photo, select the crop option, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the photo, select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the photo. Then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, crop the photo, select the crop option, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo, and then select the opacity option, effect shadow, enable button down, save the photo, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Then select the text option, edit by writing, select the size option, adjust the size, select the font option, adjust the font, select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, copy the letter, select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, save the letter, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.